sit down on the mat. Bring the left leg over and the right leg cross over the left leg. Try to bring the sitting bone down on the mat. And now from here, with inhale, raise your left hand up the ceiling and we make a twist. Bring the left elbow twist to the right side. Press the knee. Left elbow, press the right knee and we make a twist to the right side. And you feel all the stretching in the right thigh. The hand you can put like this or else you can put like this. Your choice. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release your right hand and inhale, left hand up. Exhale, release the left hand. Now we change side. Maybe I change it angle for you see easier. Bring, sit, lengthening the spine all the way. And bring your right leg in, left leg out, cross like this. Don't raise your hip one side. Try put your hip on the mat. Just stick in the mat. From here, inhale, raise your right hand up the ceiling and bend. Right hand, right elbow, touch to twist, press it. Use the right elbow. Press and put the left knee. And we make a twist, look to the left shoulder. Just stay here for a few seconds. 1. If you feel it difficult to hold, you can put the hand like this. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release the left hand. Inhale, raise your right hand up the ceiling. Exhale, release and release the foot. And now from here, we sit on the tabletop. Press 1 arm, hand. We do cat cow breathing. Inhale, press the shoulder down and look up. Exhale, round your back, look at your belly. We do this 5 times. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest, look at your belly. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back. And from here, you can bring, after this, from here, you can bring your hand, go to camel pose or just same the distance here. You can same the distance, one arm. And from here, slowly inhale, right hand up, exhale down. Inhale, left hand up, exhale down. And press the hip up. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, lift the hip higher and put more in front. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale, hand up. Exhale, go to child pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. That focus in your breathing here. Breathe in and breathe out. And now from here, bring your hand nearer, put like this, and push your body down. Go to downward dog. Press your heel down. Just stay here for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly from here, we go with cobra. Push the body up and look up. You can untuck your toe and tuck in your core. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, bring your body up to downward dog. And step the right leg between the two hands. Left leg between the two hands. Forward fold. Lengthening your spine and you hold your elbow like this. Beautiful. Just stay there. Focus in your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, bring your body up. Then now we last one more posture. We just do triangle pose, leg apart, and slowly hands shoulder level, and try to, when you bend down, lengthening your body first, and slowly twist the right hand to the left hand up the ceiling and look up. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly lengthening your body and twist to the left side. Look up the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly lengthening your spine and drop your body down. You can toe heel, or jump back. Yes, after feel the warm up, that's the few posture simple can help us release all the digestion or lost the tired of the day. So after we feel hot body already. So now we last 1 minute to cool down to 3 minutes. Just lie down on the mat. Hand beside the body. And we make a twist. Twist like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change side. From here, twist to the left side. 1, shoulder on the mat, no up the mat. 2, 3, 4, and and 5. Slowly from here, hug your knee and roll body up and down. Massage your lower back, left and right. And straighten your leg, straighten your hand beside your body and palm up. Just close your eyes, absorb your breathing here. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe inhale deeply and slowly and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly feel your body relax. And now from here, with deep inhale, raise your hand over the head, lengthening the body, and slowly turn the body to the right side. With support of your hand, put your body back and sit back the prayer posture. The eyes still closed. Just focus in your breathing. Breathe inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we make some warm. Bring the warm to the eyes. So cheek. The neck, the chest, the lower back, and gently, with few blink, open your eyes. Namaste everyone. Thank you for practice with me today, and I see you in next video.